Nurses came to the south to help the NHS when it was in dire need of nursing staff.
Questions were asked about the nurses' capabilities and how well they would adapt to English life.
But a decade on, it's clear those fears were unfounded and the nurses have become indispensable. Aisling McVeigh reports from Worthing.
He was seen yesterday and the plan is to send him over on Friday back to East Grinstead.
Mildred Puno is a busy ward sister at Worthing Hospital. She came to this country 8 years ago from the Philippines as a staff nurse, and hard work meant she was promoted. 10 years ago, nursing within the NHS had reached crisis point. Staff shortages meant desperate measures were called for. Mildred was amongst the thousands of Filipino nurses who travelled thousands of miles as part of a huge recruitment drive from the Far East. Mildred was attracted by career prospects and the wages, but her journey wasn't without sacrifice. Leaving her husband and her 7-month-old baby behind, Mildred came to Worthing to make a better life for her family. Thankfully, today they're all reunited and live together in the town.
The first time I came here, I've told myself, well, I'm just going to stay here for 2 years, finish my contract and go home. But, well, I'm still here, so it must have been good, because I'm still here and, well, my family is here. So I would consider Worthing as my home away from home.
There are 1,400 nursing staff here at Worthing Hospital, and 200 of them are from the Philippines. When Meridian visited the nurses' induction classes almost a decade ago, it was a controversial topic. It was thought that Filipino faces on our wards would be just a temporary measure. But these nurses have stayed, have integrated seamlessly, and are popular with the patients.
I've been in the hospital a couple of times and have really found them very helpful, very friendly and really caring.
Lass Marie is also a ward sister at Worthing. She's been here for 5 years and is proud of the way fellow Filipinos are not only valued members of the NHS, but the wider community also.
We feel that we are welcomed warmly by them. I mean, the Worthing community, they accepted us and they consider us a member of the community, and we are very grateful for that.
Every year the Filipino health workers get together for a festival celebrating their homeland. Lass Marie took us to the home of some of her friends, where preparations are underway for this weekend's event. Traditional food like this adobo, which is marinated chicken or pork, will be served up, and songs and games will be played by the children. So almost 10 years on, these nurses and health workers have come to form part of the backbone of the NHS and are now considered invaluable. Aisling McVeigh in Worthing for Meridian Tonight.